Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you a quick video on just how to change the oil on one of these Chinese 250cc quads. So this one's a Katerra. There's a few different names for these guys, but let's get into the video. So coming to the right side of the quad, we're going to be taking the oil filter off. So the oil filter's right here. You can kind of just peel this cover back a bit, but to get that off, you're just going to need a 5mm Allen hex bolt, whatever. So let's pull those off quick. So the bolt back here was very long, and the other two were the same. And then here's the oil filter, so we can just pull it out. And basically you can just clean this off. You can rinse it and dry it, you can brake clean it, whatever you want to do, or you can replace it, but we're just going to clean it off and then throw it back in. So I got the filter cleaned, and also you want to clean in here as well because there is some stuff that kind of does collect in the bottom there. But let's put the filter back in with this way facing inside, and then we can put the bolts back in there. And now let's go drain the oil. So on the left side of the engine, kind of down at the bottom, there will be a 22mm drain plug, and there is a spring behind it, so make sure that you don't lose the spring. But you can just take it off and change the oil. There's the spring, as you can see. There is a filter, or like a little screen on the end of the drain plug there. So clean it off, do whatever you want, and then we'll reassemble. So once the oil filter is torqued down and the drain plug is torqued down, we can add the oil. So you want to pull out the dipstick, and we're going to add a funnel in there and fill it up. So for the oil I am using just a 1040 UTV oil. I don't really think it's too specific. I don't have an owner's manual or any information on this thing, so I couldn't tell you for sure. But we're going to fill it up, and I think I added about 1.5 liters-ish. I don't quote me on that, but it's somewhere in that range. I filled it up, and then once we kind of, we're keeping an eye on it, obviously. We're going to be checking the oil level, and once it's in that range there, we're going to start the engine, let it idle. And after we're letting it idle, we're going to check the oil level again and add if necessary. So that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you all for watching, and see y'all later.